So here's how to create mockup in Canva for essay. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Canva account. Once you are logged into your Canva account, now here you have to search for the mockup that you want. Here I'm going to search for the wall art free mockup. Now from here you have to select the mockup, and once you selected the mockup, now you can edit it as you want. Now once I select this mockup, now I can make changes on it. First I deleted this text and these arrows as well. Now I'm gonna delete these paintings at the top. Once I deleted all the images from these paintings, now I will go to the elements section. Here you can search for anything that you want to add in these frames. Here now I'm gonna search for the motivational quotes. Now here you have to select the quotes that you want to add in, and if it needs to crop or any editing, then you can edit it as well. After editing, drag your picture to the frame and it will automatically fit into this frame. Now I'm gonna add all the images one by one in each frame. Once all done, now you can create multiple copies of it by clicking on the copy option at the top. Then to download it, you have to click on the arrow icon at the top and you have to download it in image form or JPG form. Now you can simply upload it to your Etsy store. So that's how to create free mockup on Canva for Etsy.